Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing well. So today we are going to discuss about the probation period as per federal law, Dubai 2025. So the minimum probation period in UAE will be 3 months and the maximum 6 month. Probation period will be maximum 6 months with the same employer, right? So if you are moving to other employer, you have to follow that rule. You have to give another 6 month probation period. Okay. So uh, now we are going to discuss about the notice period during probation. So there will be various stages. Recently, they have changed the policies and law about the notice period. So if employer is going to terminate a employee, okay, employer is terminating employee. In that case, 14 days written notice is required. It's mandatory. Okay, if someone like I have seen such cases like employer just terminate without notice. I have seen. So people are just asking me how we are going to deal. So first of all, without visa, don't join any company. Like if you are joining without visa, then in that case legally you cannot ask them that you have to serve 14 days, right? So check that before joining any company. Ask them for the visa. Second one is employee resign to join another company in UAE. So if you are resigning and want to join another company in UAE, so in that case you have to provide 1 month notice period. It's mandatory. Plus, the new employer must reimburse the recruitment cost. If they have provided, like your old employer provided you visa, there is some recruitment cost, like onboarding cost and something is there. So the new employer is supposed to responsible for all this cost. So if employee is resigning to join another company during probation, in that case they have to provide 1 month notice period, right? Third case, if employee is resigning to leave UAE. So the third case is employee resigning again to leave UAE. So in that case, they have to provide 14 days written notice. So 14 days written notice, it's mandatory. You have to give. Failing to serve this notice period means paying compensation equivalent to the notice period. If you don't want to serve the notice period, you just pay the amount to your employer, right? So if you are not paying the amount, plus you are moving to another company or you are moving back to your home country, in that case you might get 1 year labor ban if your employer put a complaint against your work permit. You cannot get a work permit, you cannot entry in UAE. So be careful on that. During probation period, the leave benefits, you are not eligible for any paid leave. If it is sick leave, if it is annual leave, if it is any other emergency leave, you are not going to get that paid leave. It's supposed to unpaid leave. And in during probation, you are not eligible for gratuity as well. For gratuity, you have to complete 1 year with the same employer to eligible for the gratuity, right? And now we are going to give a basic summary about probation period. The maximum probation period is 6 months. Okay, with maximum is 6 months. You cannot exceed more than 6 months with the same employer. If someone is asking you to proceed another 6 months, like total 1 year of probation, that is not going to work. You have to ask your employer as per UA level law. This is what we have to serve, right? Then termination notice. If you are getting terminated during the probation, you have to serve 14 days. And if you are resigning, you have to serve 14 days if you are leaving UAE, 1 month if you are working, if you are going to move to another company. And your new employer is going to pay all the recruitment cost to your old employer. If you don't want to serve the notice period, fourth point is, if you don't want to serve the notice period, you have to pay the compensation, like 14 days amount as per your salary, you have to pay that compensation. And sixth point, you are not eligible for any paid sick leave, annual leave, or gratuity during your probation period, right? So as per my suggestion, before joining any company, check the basic details through your offer letter. What is the probation period? What is the notice period? Because some companies are giving 60 days notice. So you have to check, you have to negotiate with them. And after that, you guys are getting problem. I have seen such cases. So I'm preparing this video because I am getting a lot of comments and queries related to probation period, like how we are going to leave the company. So be careful on that. Thank you so much. Hopefully this video will help you. to join any company. And if you need any help, you can DM me through my mail ID.